ZHNN sent me an adapter that can be used to make an existing wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto into a wireless one. Let's test it. First, you need to choose an adapter you want on their website and make sure it's compatible with your car. Here are the contents of the package. You get the manual, the adapter itself, its USB-A, which works in my case, but you also get a USB-A to USB-C adapter if you have the USB-C port. After installing, fire up the car and pair your smartphone via Bluetooth to the adapter. Once that's done, Apple CarPlay launches. Next time you start the car, it will launch every time automatically. As you can see, everything works as expected. No weird stuff. It's a great product I highly recommend.